Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Lowe's a weekly ad from April what is this 18 to April 24. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals. Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got first of all, we got this power washer. It's Craftsman, 2,800 psi, 2.3 gallons per minute for $2.99. We got this mower, which is a great deal. It's actually low cost mower. It's a Craftsman 140cc 21-inch cut push gas lawnmower. It says ready start, no prime, no choke starting. So I do own one of these, not exactly this model, but the older model. And I gotta say, that thing's been real solid. All you gotta do is just put stable on your gas, and if you're gonna store it. And anytime you're gonna put any on any of these, small engines, I would definitely recommend stable, because it's just so easy to start them. And if you don't put stable, they will actually run a little rougher. So just to let you know. It says Craftsman T210, 18 horsepower, 42-inch cut, foot pedal hydrostatic riding lawnmower for $17.99. So we got any more tools here? We got weed eater here. Husqvarna 128 LDs, 28cc 2-cycle, 17-inch cut gas string trimmer for $1.99. These have gone down in price. Mostly due because new technology is coming out, especially with all the battery operated technology like lithium ion. Pretty much all the tools, even like your power tools and lawn tools, they're all going cordless. Pretty much everything, every single item you can imagine is going cordless. So I even heard that I even saw that what is this, Milwaukee is coming out with the battery operated wheelbarrow. So I guess it's powered by 2 batteries, and what you do is you just control it with the little lever here, and it basically effortless pushing there, So this is pretty much let's see here. We got Craftsman 60 volt 21-inch deck, self-propelled rear wheel drive cordless lawnmower for $5.49. 7.5 amp hour battery includes. So then again, this is one of the ones that I was talking about. These are the lawnmowers that are battery operated, and pretty much like this is a 60 volt, so you're getting the power. The price is it too. So every time you're getting a good brand, well, not necessarily a good brand, but it's a well built, a high voltage tool. That means that you're getting the power down. You got the Craftsman 60 volt max brushless cordless leaf blower for $2.19. So it's the same interchangeable batteries. You can change those. And then you got the weed eater. As I was saying, all power tools are becoming pretty much lithium ion. You got the 60 volt max 15-inch brushless cordless string trimmer, $2.19. Quick wind spool system. So it does have like the Eagle. It does have the quick wind thing. I don't know if it's the same kind, but according to this, they're advertising it the same type. Craftsman 27cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut gas string trimmer. This does not look like a gas string trimmer. I think what they did is they put the wrong picture here. So this does not look like a gas string trimmer. That's funny. See, it looks like a gas string trimmer here, but once you click on it, it's the same one as the one on the top. Anyways, this is the gas string trimmer that they're talking about for $179. You got the Craftsman 46cc 2-cycle gas backpack leaf blower $219. So this is for mostly for a big yard or heavy duty. If you got a lot of leaves, big trees and stuff, then something like this is gonna help you. Or if you're a professional. I don't know about this, Craftsman brand, but on leaf blowers, but on everything else, they seem to be pretty decent. See, this is the Craftsman 20. Prices are going way down. Before you couldn't find something like this for $129. There is no way. Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut gas string trimmer for $129. See, that's real cheap right there. This is the Cobalt 24 Max 12-inch brushless cordless string trimmer, $119. Even the Cobalt, it's a decent brand, and they're advertising $119 without the battery. I'm pretty sure, but still, it does includes a high capacity 4 amp hour battery and a charger. So that's a steal, guys. If you guys need a something like that, go get it. I'm even thinking about getting one myself. We got Greenworks 2000 psi 1.2 gallons per minute pressure washer, $199. You got the Greenworks 17 psi 1700 psi 1.2 gallons per minute pressure washer, $99. And then you got the Husqvarna 525 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut string trimmer for $299. So this is your little top of the line weed eater. You got the E100 17.5 horsepower 42-inch cut automatic riding lawnmower, $15.99. It's a John Deere. I know a lot of you guys are gonna say John Deere is not what they used to be, and yeah, it's been it's more commercial. It's more they just build them cheaper. It's just part of life. There's more plastic in them. They're manufactured by big. Those engines are manufactured by big corporations, and it's pretty much that's what everything's becoming to. You got the Husqvarna YTH 18542 18-inch 0.5 horsepower. Is that, yeah, 42-inch cut, full pedal hydrostatic lawnmower, $15.99. So if you want a little better brand, Husqvarna is the way to go. I know that these don't have a lot of good reviews. I know people, that swear to God, and they pretty much they're straight John Deere, But yeah, I understand. But pretty much Husqvarna, it's pretty much becoming the better brand, or the most affordable better brand, you would say. Let's see here. We got the Husqvarna 190cc 22-inch cut self-propelled all-wheel drive, $4.99. So you can take this one off-road to the rocks, go rock crawling. 163cc 21-inch. Oops, yeah, my phone. 21 cut self-propelled all-wheel drive gas all-wheel drive lawnmower for $3.99. So the same thing. You can take this one off-road. Now the little tractors, Craftsman T40 22 horsepower 26-inch cut foot hydrostatic riding lawnmower for just under $2,000. Not a bad deal if you need a bag, because it does have a bagger on the back. It says 5 turns radius for maneuvering. Okay. Let's see here. Craftsman T310 24 horsepower 54-inch cut pedal hydrostatic lawnmower for $2,499. $2,499. You got the Craftsman 140cc 21-inch cut self-propelled front-wheel drive. You know what? These are great, guys. If you guys need a budget-friendly lawnmower, $269, and what was the other one? $229 or something like that. Yeah, where was it at? Beginning. Yeah, this is not bad. Not bad at all. If you don't got a lot of money and you need something real quick, that's the best way to start. Craftsman's a decent brand, and their engines are Briggs & Stratton, I think. This one is, yeah, self-propelled all-wheel drive. And then you got the Honda, the one with the Honda engine. It's Craftsman, but still with the Honda. It's 160cc, 21-inch cut. Push gas lawnmower for $269. Pretty much this one's gonna last you the same as that one. You know, maybe the engine's gonna last you, but you know, these are all plastic. Everything else is plastic here, so it's not gonna last as long. You know, so it's up to you. Whatever you want to get. If you like Honda, then go with Honda. I'm glad they're giving everybody an option though. Craftsman T110, 17.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut. Riding lawnmower for, oh, this was not, this was cheap, $1,299. You got the Craftsman Z510, 20 horsepower V-twin, 42-inch cut. Dual hydrostatic zero-turn lawnmower, $599. So this is gonna be the top of the, not the top of the line, but the higher end. Every time you have a zero turn, this is going to be like your best ones for pretty much all types of commercial and home use, because you can just turn on the same spot, you know. With the other ones, you have to make a wide turn, pretty much. And these, you could just turn on the same spot where you're at. You got the 25cc, 2-cycle, 17-inch cut. String trimmer, $99. Like I said, they're becoming real affordable. 2-in-1 bump feed, 0.095 line. And here's another one, pretty affordable. Like I said, if I were you guys, I would definitely go with just my point of view, you know. I know we all been growing up with gas and 2-cycle engines and stuff like that. But these are probably my last gas tools I'm gonna have. I'm gonna start investing my money into lithium. I don't know which brand I'm gonna go. I was thinking of going with DeWalt. Now I'm thinking going with Craftsman. We'll see. Maybe I'll go with Eagle from Home Depot. I don't know what I'm gonna pick, but yeah, everything's going to lithium. Even these things are lithium, and they're pretty powerful too. Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle for just $99. We got some tools here somewhere. I know I saw them. Got a ladder for $249.99. It's a 20 feet. 20 feet, is that what it is? 28 feet for $249. 300-pound capacity. So you got a good capacity there. Craftsman 25 feet chrome tape measure for $698. DeWalt 35 piece tough grip screwdriver bit set for $998. It's not bad. Cobalt 1.5 horsepower, 8 gallon, 150 psi electric air compressor for $119. You got the Cobalt 4.3 gallon, 150 psi Quiet Tech portable electric air compressor, $179. And then you got the DeWalt 4.2 20 volt max lithium ion cordless combo kit with soft case, $249. These are probably going to be your brushed tools. It says includes a 1/2 inch drill driver, 1/4 impact driver, reciprocating saw, LED work light, 2.0 amp hour batteries, and a charger. Yeah, this is going to be mostly your basic kit. It's not going to be brushless or the latest out there. The price is it all too. It's not that much. Usually if you want to get brushless, you'll pay that much just for the drill and the impact driver. So basically $125 a piece on a combo, in a combo, not by itself. You got a 6 feet aluminum step ladder for $49.96. You got a 8 feet for $129. You got aluminum work platform for $34.98. And then this is like a level. Laser line level, yeah. $199 from Bosch. Alright, that's it for today. Yeah, that's the last page. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell.